Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. This is the second video of my of how I prepared the chicken chow and what did I do. So here from the Lahore market I bought 3 kilograms of chicken to prepare the chicken chow, and then here's the chicken. And after going through the entire market, we were not able to get carrot and cabbage, so we were able to find carrot only in one place.
Season নহয় carrot la. January February the season.
So these are the things that I got from the Lahore market. The carrot, which were very expensive, some green pepper, and chow mein, packets of chow mein, and then the chicken. The chicken is dressed, so I'll first boil the chicken with 1 small spoon of salt, letting it boil for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm preparing some cabbage to add in the chow. So I'm grating them. Our chicken has started boiling. Let's just check. So the chicken is boiling. Let it boil for some more time, and let's prepare. I'm going to prepare the carrot now. I have diced the carrot in long, slender pieces. The carrots are ready. The chicken is ready too. So I've drained the chicken and I've shredded the chicken. So after shredding it, I will deep fry the chicken. Now it's time to fry the chicken. So I've taken a pan. I'm using mustard oil to fry the chicken. So 1 ball of mustard oil. And I've added the chicken. I'll be deep frying the chicken until the chicken turns golden brown. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, The chicken is finally ready to be added in the chow. It's 4 a.m. in the morning now, so I am preparing so that I can take this for my students. I hope I'll be able to do it before 6:30. I'll be able to complete everything before 6:30. So the chicken is done, and now it's time to prepare the chow. So I've taken a big pot and I've put some water. The chicken is ready. And the chow is ready too. I have added some soy sauce to the boiled chow before I fry them. So I have taken some cabbage and some carrot, and I'll quickly fry them before I add the chow. Since the amount of chow is more, I have to fry them up in batches, taking 1 or 2 spoons at a time. So this is the first batch, and this is the second one. So here is the third batch. So it continued like third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh batch. It took me a lot of time to fry the chow in batches like this. However, I really wanted my students to enjoy. I really wanted them to enjoy it. So I was trying my level best to prepare it well. So it took me a lot of time to fry the chow in batches like this. The chicken chow is ready. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. So I'll show you the expression of my students. So this is how we enjoyed the chow. They really enjoyed it and they gave sincere comments. They even came for the second, third servings. So I was happy that they enjoyed. They liked it. So we were all very busy serving and enjoying the chow. We had a nice time. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.